It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and now we're just waiting for Octopus to come to install our smart meter. Let's go see what we're dealing with. We currently have 2 meters, a night meter, which we do not use because it's attached to storage heaters, which are insane and expensive to run. We've got a little tiny fuse box. You can see it's only got 6 different isolators. Let's pretend that's the word I mean. Zones, rather. And then we've got a quite old meter. So all of this will go. And next week, when SGN come and remove the gas connection from outside, we can actually remove these pipes. They're dead. There's no gas that comes to them. There hasn't been gas in the house for about a dozen years, which is why we bought it. But there is still a live connection at the street. So just to be safe, we've paid to have that capped off. All of this will then just become 1 meter. And at some point, hopefully in the next few weeks and or months, we're knocking out this wall here that goes between the little teeny tiny pantry and just turning this into a utility room. Unfortunately, I timed this very badly and was on a work call in the next room, both while they were turning the electricity off, but while I had 2 electricians in, so it was at least fun to listen to them interview each other.
Yeah, so I don't mind. It's what was it called? Like a kind of vlog kind of thing. Renovation vlog. I do plumbing and heating when I'm not doing this, and a lot of people like to sort of, record it and whatnot. Yeah.
So you've been with them for a while now?
I've only been here since September.
Oh, okay.
But I've been doing metering 7 years, yeah. So I've done it long enough anyway.
I feel smarter already.
There we go, yeah. It will be shortly.
Is it working? Oh, the light is on! Yay! Our smart meter is all fitted, complete with a fancy app to keep an eye on everything. The old meter will come out. This is the night meter, will come out when we move everything into the new utility room. Hey, utility room. Because we're moving the fuse box. And very excitingly, the cooker now works. So we can actually cook some of these meals we've had in the fridge for a week that couldn't be microwaved. That's the wood for the bug hotel. It's happening. We are filming. Just because it's funny watching us move really heavy stuff.
Of course.
And then just push.
Is that what you were planning?
Totally. Go. Once I get the first ones down,
Debatable, but yeah.
yeah.
So I feel you missed the exciting footage that came from working out how to slide them from the front. That would have been exciting # content.
Commentary in my videos.
You'll appreciate it when you're editing this in. I can't see my watch.
Commentary.
No, content!
Believe it or not, I don't tend to look behind me when I'm moving stuff forward.
Well, if you're aware of where like things are behind you, you have more. You're not like a 3-year-old, 1-year-old child who's not got. I've forgotten what that thing is where you think things don't exist and you can't see them.
Object impermanence.
Object permanence, thank you. You have object permanence. So you don't have to send your husband sideways into scaffolding hole just because you've walked past it. More sarcasm in a second.
Why?
Because it's a lot easier if it actually aims for the back corner instead of trying to line it up straight immediately where we've got the space to do that. Yeah, you need to straighten those up first.
Just keep pushing. Yeah. Perfect. We won't be able to do another two with it having to lift it up that high. So, yeah.
I mean, I won't be able to do the one next to it.
Did you?
But yeah, like that was.
Oh. So beast, much manly.
So, in case it doesn't get fast forwarded through in the actual edit, 2 planks are a bit more cumbersome than 1, done twice. Now that's a seagull.
Nobody's getting excited about a seagull.
People selling fish and chips might be. It means a repeat custom.
Calm down, you crow. Push.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I've apparently forgotten the thing we've been doing for the last 10 to 25 minutes. We're reading, yeah, the last half an hour. I forgot what we were doing. Ta-da! Now sending the rubbish the other way. Yeah, the debate is, do we want to throw these in the skip, or do we think that someone on Gumtree is going to take them away?
Never know.
Apparently not. Throw the manky things into the skip.
These ones can also just go in the skip. Nobody's using these.
Throw the pair of scissors don't have enough nipples into the skip.
Love it when you're in beast mode, baby.
And now, as the final exciting conclusion to today's activities, Tanya measures a plank of wood.
You're a bit cheeky. You're a bit cheeky, right?
Feel the pulse-pounding action as it is 1.5 inches tall. What is that? 4 centimeters? 4 centimeters? 4 centimeters? 4 centimeters?
Stop it!
It's just under 4 centimeters.
You're cheeky. It's like 38. 38 mil.
38. Oh, what about the width? What about the width? Oh, what about the width? Oh, it's 23. Bang on.
No, it's 228. I think. No. Yeah, 223. 230? Fucking, how much easier is
23. 20. 1, 2, 3.
millimeters, bitch.
I mean-
230.
And it seems sufficiently close to 230 to not have to think about it too hard.
Wow. What'd I say? 38 before you interrupted me so much. Gosh.
And finally, the exciting conclusion.
Yeah, I think it's 38.
Not the exciting conclusion.
The problem is, remember how, well, you can't even see them now, but the ones at the bottom were so much heavier. I think some of these are definitely, yeah, that one's a little bit, that's more like, yeah, it's only 2 millimeters, but 2 millimeters times whatever the hell this is long. That's a lot, mate. But I have a lot of wall to cover. I'm also pretty sure I only ordered 20 planks, and that's definitely more than 20.
Yes.
Yeah, they sent me 25. No,
Well, there you go. We now have 5 more to fill up our yard with, because it's definitely not quite full enough as it is.
you know what? The bugs of Greenwich will thank us. And when we have beetles and the first hedgehog comes for lunch, and
And
I
Ringo
freak
will be
out,
fucking pissed.
I will freak out when a hedgehog comes for lunch. Remember that.
Right, so we have the exciting conclusion then.
That was very much it. Yes,
I'll tell you what, give me that end.
I'll give you an end. Oh, I have to go do the marching.
I'm holding the camera.
Fair enough.
Okay, exciting footage of how long the tape measure is. And one for the Warhammer playing homies, slightly short than the Kragnos charge.
You're a homie.
Right, so that is, I'm at completely the wrong end for getting the funny number.
390 and a half. Call it. Can you do the one next to it, please? Yeah, about 390.5.
390.5.
Look at that. Failure. Well done, sir.